And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these 12-inch shelf brackets. This is a 2-pack, and these are black shelf brackets. Let me show you what they look like. So right on top, all of the screws you'd need. And then inside of here, oh, more screws. That's it for the box. Here are your 2 brackets. So you press your little release here, and then you're able to bring this up and adjust it however you may need so that you can mount this to the wall and then lock it in place, put you a board on top so that you can have a nice shelf. These are really nice. And when you go to take them down, you just press your button and slide them back down. I like how they grip in place right there. Very nice. So they do give you 2 of these. You get 1 and 2. So we're going to get us a shelf and put these up to show you exactly what these look like and how they work. So I decided to actually use these as a shelf in my office. So I have installed both of the mounts now. You can of course still easily adjust them if you wanted to. And all that's left is for me to add a nice shelf on top. Let me put the shelf on and show you what it looks like right here. There you go. The shelf is officially installed. And yeah, you could release these clips to make the shelf come down if you needed to. Of course, easily just clip it back into place. Thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send me these mounts to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.